U.S.-Egypt Science and Technology Joint Fund at the National Academy is delighted to be here at iHub, Innovation Hub here at Ain Shams University, and continue our partnership with STDF to offer this technology transfer workshop for Egyptian tech transfer professionals. So today we have 60 plus Egyptian tech transfer professionals here for a 3-day workshop where they're meeting with their American trainers from Johns Hopkins University, NYU, National Institutes of Health, to learn the American experience when it comes to technology transfer and commercialization.
With all the experience that we have, we try to share those with other members of our community. For me, at least, was a big surprise as to how much advanced Egypt is in this area and how much there is a thirst and a hunger to know more about this profession. The amount of interaction that they've done with us, and they've shared so many things with us that I wasn't aware. But in general, frankly, the level of understanding that they have an interest in wanting to develop technology transfer here has been phenomenal.
So I'd say it's very actually useful for people to engage with the tech transfers community in the US, predominantly because they're well ahead of many others in terms of just chronology of starting. But at the same time, one of the, I'd say, key features of the tech transfer space in the US is it's a huge market.
We are from different governments here in Egypt, different disciplines, different backgrounds. Some are academic, some are from the public sector or from the industry. So it's very good to be in one place to join the conversations regarding the same topic and to feel the pain of each sector.
The American way of life, the American way of thinking, of doing science, of doing business. So it's a different mindset, and I believe it's truly important, especially now with everything going on. It's a plus that people can still talk together and understand each other's mindsets, to meet people, to be able to network and learn more.
We learn a lot from the online sessions actually during the last several months actually, but this workshop face-to-face with the speaker is completely different. We know all the story of technology transfer, starting from when you have a good data, how to handle, how to do, and even IMTT office members, how to handle with this, and how to ask and to evaluate assessment and everything.
There is a lot American trainers are offering, but there's a lot what the Egyptian participants are sharing, which is enriching the experiences of our American trainers as well. And again, this wouldn't be possible without the funding provided by USAID. So we're glad to be here.